Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today, we explore the frontier of technology, from GPT-5's enhanced AI reasoning capabilities and innovations in autonomous vehicles to the transformative impacts on jobs and the evolution of the internet through AI-powered browsers. Join us as we navigate these developments and their implications for our future. OpenAI's GPT-4, launched in March 2023, raised both excitement and concern with its human-like communication capabilities. Questions about the next iteration, GPT-5, persist, with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman offering vague responses about its release. Business Insider reports GPT-5 is expected in mid-2024, possibly in summer, with some enterprise customers already previewing it. The model is described as substantially improved, capable of unique use cases, and potentially launching AI agents for automated tasks. Despite inquiries, OpenAI's spokesperson shared no specific release date, but hinted at upcoming models this year, without confirming if one would be GPT-5. GPT-5 aims to be a multimodal large language model, improving on GPT-4's next token prediction for more accurate responses and reduced hallucinations. It's still under training and safety testing, with its release contingent on these processes. This information, while not confirmed, suggests significant progress towards GPT-5's eventual launch. Research shows that giving AI systems an inner monologue significantly enhances their reasoning capabilities. This novel method, termed Quiet Star, trains AI to think before responding, a departure from traditional training methods used in chatbots like ChatGPT. Quiet Star enables AI to generate multiple inner rationales before selecting the best response, thereby improving its ability to anticipate and learn from conversations. When applied to the Mistral 7B model, Quiet Star improved reasoning test scores from 36.3% to 47.2% and doubled its math test scores. This approach marks a shift toward more versatile training techniques that could bridge the gap between current AI reasoning and human-like understanding. The results, shared on the Arxiv preprint database on March 14th, highlight the potential of thinking AI systems in enhancing reasoning performance. Understanding and interacting with our dynamic 3D world involves complex reasoning, a task humans manage effortlessly but poses significant challenges for AI. The key to enhancing machine perception lies in LiDAR technology, which provides precise 3D data by measuring distances using pulsed laser light. However, the real advancement comes with generative AI, specifically through the development of foundation models like Waabi's Copilot 4D. This model is groundbreaking for its ability to reason in both 3D space and time, enabling machines to predict future observations and interact more naturally in a dynamic environment. Copilot 4D employs a three-stage architecture: a LiDAR tokenizer that converts sensor data into discrete tokens, a foundation model that forecasts future scenarios, and a LiDAR renderer that translates predictions back into understandable LiDAR point clouds. This approach allows Copilot 4D to outperform current models in forecasting future environments, offering promising applications for autonomous vehicles and robotics by enabling them to make proactive, safe decisions based on predictive understanding of their surroundings. Researchers have made significant strides in improving the efficiency of matrix multiplication algorithms, a core component of computational mathematics. Strawson's laser method, pivotal for reducing unnecessary calculations, has been further optimized by identifying and minimizing a hidden loss. This inefficiency, discovered in a recent study by Duan, Zhou, and Wu, was due to the method's tendency to discard too many useful blocks during the optimization process. By re-evaluating how blocks are labeled for retention or disposal, the team achieved a notable reduction in the theoretical minimum number of operations required for matrix multiplication, setting a new upper bound for the omega constant at 2.37. This advancement represents the most significant progress in over a decade. Subsequent refinements have pushed this boundary even lower to 2.37, also expanding the technique's applicability to rectangular matrices. Despite these breakthroughs, reaching an omega below 2.3078 using current methodologies remains a challenge, underscoring the need for novel approaches in algorithm development. President Biden has announced an $8.5 billion grant to Intel from the CHIPS Act funds, aiming to rejuvenate the U.S. semiconductor industry. This financial boost, the largest from the federal government for semiconductor production, will aid in constructing and expanding Intel facilities nationwide. Biden highlighted the initiative during his visit to the Intel campus in Chandler, Arizona, emphasizing its potential to generate thousands of manufacturing jobs, including those not requiring a college degree. The investment is part of the Biden administration's broader strategy, backed by $39 billion in subsidies, to reduce America's dependency on foreign semiconductor production. Currently, only about 10% of the world's chips are manufactured in the U.S., a stark contrast to the past when the U.S. led in this crucial sector. Biden's move aims to reclaim America's position as a leading semiconductor manufacturing hub. Next, we'll be discussing the evolution of workplace skills. Gen AI is forecasted to revolutionize the job market rather than diminish it by automating mundane tasks and generating new knowledge-based roles. Tools like ChatGPT are enabling non-computer science professionals to create applications seen as Gen AI's immediate benefit. Gartner predicts Gen AI will create over 500 million jobs by 2033, with areas such as AI development, data analysis, and AI ethics expected to boom. Mark Kashef from Fiverr highlights the emergence of new roles, including agent engineer, driven by Gen AI's capabilities. Despite fears of job losses, Gen AI is more likely to augment jobs, especially those involving content creation, while still requiring human oversight. Early Gen AI applications include writing job descriptions and improving customer service in call centers. Skills in leveraging AI tools, data literacy, and understanding AI's integration into products are becoming crucial. Ernst & Young's focus on upskilling their workforce for AI reflects the broader shift towards embracing AI for enhanced productivity and job creation, underscoring the importance of training in maximizing AI's potential benefits. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. The Browser Company, initiated in 2019 by Josh Miller and Hrush Agrawal and their Arc browser, has distinguished itself with innovative features like command bar navigation, pinned tabs, and separate workspaces for work and personal use. Initially exclusive to Mac users through an invite-only model, the browser expanded its availability last July and introduced a Windows client via a closed beta program. The introduction of the Arc Search app on iOS, focusing on AI-powered search without necessitating user accounts, marks a significant step towards broadening its user base. The startup has ventured into AI with features aimed at enhancing user experience, such as renaming downloaded files, easier ChatGPT access, and providing summaries for hovered links. Despite these advancements, the company faces criticism over potential impacts on web traffic and the content creation ecosystem. Furthermore, the Browser Company has yet to outline a clear monetization strategy, though it has expressed ambitions to reshape the internet browsing experience. This situation underscores the challenges of innovating in a space dominated by established players and the necessity of balancing innovation with sustainable business practices. Pelikan Mobility, a French startup, has introduced an innovative solution to the challenge commercial fleets face when transitioning to EVs. Pelikan Mobility is set to revolutionize how commercial vehicles adopt electrification. The core of their offering is a software platform designed to optimize the operations of fleets that are integrating EVs alongside their existing diesel vehicles. By inputting the entire fleet's data into Pelikan Mobility system, the software can generate optimization scenarios considering factors like charging times, fuel and charging costs, vehicle range, and parking logistics. What sets Pelikan Mobility apart is its attention to both the operational and financial aspects of fleet management. Recognizing that EVs have higher upfront costs but lower operational expenses, the platform provides detailed long-term operational scenarios that include digital twin simulations for route planning and charging station utilization. This allows for a more accurate cost-benefit analysis of incorporating EVs into fleets. Moreover, Pelikan Mobility is challenging the traditional leasing model for commercial vehicles, which typically features short-term contracts based on the resale value of the vehicles. The startup advocates for longer leasing periods, leveraging the durability of EVs to offer more stable and potentially cheaper leasing options. This approach not only aligns with the financial interests of fleet operators, but also supports a more sustainable vehicle life cycle. In Kenya, where up to 40% of food produced is lost, Farm to Feed is making waves by tackling the issue of food loss head-on. Co-founded by Claire Van Enck, Anouk Bertian, and Zara Benoza in 2021, this agri-tech startup is bridging the gap between small-scale farmers and the market. It aggregates farm produce that doesn't meet cosmetic standards, too big, too small, or oddly shaped, and sells it to businesses like restaurants and food processors through various sales channels, including an online marketplace. Farm to Feed is not just about reducing food loss, it's also addressing climate change by preventing methane emissions from rotting food. With operations centralized in Nairobi, the startup collects produce from farmers across Kenya, sorts, grades, and dispatches it to clients using leased trucks, with plans to acquire trucks with sustainable cooling solutions. Farm to Feed is expanding its reach through salespersons, a web app, and soon, a WhatsApp chatbot. Beyond e-commerce, they're developing a data platform to identify and address the causes of food loss, such as poor quality seeds or bad harvesting techniques. Cherry, a pioneering startup founded by software engineer Ryan Kim, aims to revolutionize the way we shop online. Utilizing an advanced AI assistant, Cherry enables users to find products across the internet by simply using a screenshot or an image. This innovative approach addresses the common frustration of trying to locate or compare products seen on social media or in real life, streamlining the online shopping process. Unlike general image-based search tools like Google Lens, Cherry enhances the shopping experience by incorporating features like sorting results by price, bookmarking, viewing image search history, and sharing finds with friends. Additionally, Cherry is developing a reward system to offer exclusive deals through points earned by searching. With its unique combination of Google and Bing's AI technology for on-device data scraping, Cherry stands apart by catering specifically to shoppers, making it easier and more efficient to find desired products at the best prices. Currently, with about 5,000 users, Cherry is focused on growth, aiming to enrich its offerings with personalized shopping recommendations and exclusive brand deals available on iOS. Cohere is a Toronto-based AI startup. Founded by ex-Google researchers, Cohere specializes in developing foundation models that rival those of ChatGPT creator OpenAI, demonstrating significant growth potential by focusing on enterprise applications of AI. The startup's innovative product, the Command R model, has propelled its annualized revenue run rate. Cohere's strategic partnership with Oracle and plans to integrate its models across other major cloud providers highlight its commitment to accessibility and scalability in the AI domain. With a fundraising from notable investors like Innovia Capital, Nvidia, and Oracle, Cohere's ambitious new valuation underscores the high investor confidence in AI startups, despite current moderate revenue versus the high development costs of AI models. Cohere stands out for its enterprise-focused approach, aiming to fuel the future of business applications with powerful AI capabilities. Up next, we're diving into Mermaid's latest triumph. Mermaid, initiated by Knut Svedqvist due to a frustrating experience with a lost Microsoft Visio file, is a unique open-source diagramming and charting tool that uses a markdown-like language for creating diagrams. This idea, born from the necessity of a more efficient method, has evolved into a popular tool among developers, boasting 4 million users last year for its cloud version. Recognizing its potential, Open Core Ventures, led by GitLab founder Sid Sijbrandij, along with Sequoia and Microsoft's M12 fund among others, invested in seed funding to commercialize Mermaid through hosted services. This strategic move aims to expand Mermaid's user base beyond technical users by developing more accessible tools, including a visual editor and an AI model for creating charts through chat interfaces or fixing syntax errors. Despite its technical nature, Mermaid Chart aspires to transform into a comprehensive knowledge base, potentially disrupting workflow automation services like ServiceNow in the future. The involvement of a venture capital firm, a seasoned CEO, and substantial funding highlights Mermaid's transition from an open-source project to a promising startup aiming to democratize diagramming and charting for a wider audience, leveraging AI to enhance user experience and extend its market reach. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.